ActionCOACH has allowed me to believe I can grow the business and to start growing it. My name is Stephen Archer. I'm the owner and director of our business Smart Automotive. We're a car body repairer. The business was going okay. I mean, obviously we'd been here 14, 15 years on our own anyway, but it was stagnant. It had slowed down. The growth had, for the sort of last 4 years of the business, hadn't really gone anywhere. In fact, it had shrunk slightly. There was no balance of work-life. It was all work, all consuming, all hours of the night. You'd be thinking about it and then you'd be working in it during the day. So yeah, it wasn't good. It was getting close to the point where it was thinking about having to stop trading. I wasn't looking for a coach. I was looking for someone to help me look at franchising because I thought that's what I should do with the business to improve it. And I ended up going on an ActionCOACH franchising seminar where I met my coach Mitali, and we clicked in a way that made me go the whole 9 yards and sign up. My first thoughts on ActionCOACH was very sceptical. I'd seen people over the years, they'd come to see me at the site, and I hadn't seen a need for it for us. But once I'd been on the quarterly review and I'd talked through with Mitali and understood what it was going to mean to us, I was up for it immediately. I wanted to do it. Immediately there were changes in the way I was thinking about the business, and I just felt better. I think I've got a really good relationship with my coach. The coaching just spreads into all areas of your life. So I would consider my coach a friend. So actions that we've taken that have changed the way the business works are simple things, but when you're not doing them, they don't work. Like reviewing what we've done and where we're going, always having an action plan and knowing where we're going have made a big difference. We've increased our turnover in the last 12 months from the previous 12 months by nearly 20%. As a direct result of working with ActionCOACH and implementing the strategies. We have employed 5 new team members in that 12-month period, from 12 to 17. And there's definitely a feeling of we're all heading in the right direction. We're all trying to get to the same goal. So a lot more cohesion in the team and understanding what we're going to do. Since working with Mitali and ActionCOACH, my hours at work have reduced drastically. 50 to 60 hour weeks, which is too much for me with a family, have definitely reduced. I'm probably down to 40s and sub 40s a week now. Friends and family have definitely noticed the difference. Less stressed, more clarity, and it spills into your personal life as well, the way you organise yourself. So therefore, less time worrying and more time just living. And then when I'm working on the business with my coach, it's more focused. Having a more successful business gives you a personal life, full stop, allows you to do the things you want to do and allows you to afford them. So since being with ActionCOACH, a lot more holidays. We seem to always be on a holiday. ActionCOACH has helped our business as a percentage, I'd say 100%, because although we do the work here, the team and I, without the focus of ActionCOACH, we wouldn't have done any of the things that we have. I'd say to anyone who was considering a coach to find the right one, but to be open-minded and willing to learn, and try a couple and you'll find it will really work for you.